Hair clip with resin. I put the epoxy A and B. I'm going to show you how I literally do my arts. Hair clip with resin. 24 hours process bago talaga makita yung outcome, and sobrang tagal pero maganda pa rin naman yung kakalabasan, and that's why I literally do pa rin kahit na matagal yung process, kahit mag-isa lang ako gumagawa, nagbibideo. Masaya sa feeling kapag nakikita mo na ang ganda nung nagawa mo, and nasusuot mo, nakikita mo na sinusuot ng mga. This is the epoxy A and B. Now I'm going to mix it. I put in UV para tumigas ng konti. Why I choose this to be my art? Because I believe that this hair clip described me. I made a lot of handmade like flowers, bracelet, necklace, keychains, and this hair clip. I made this because I don't have a popular talent like singing, dancing. I already had this. That's why ito lang yung kaya kong ipakita na arts ko. But I was been happy because I create money for this. I sell it to online and sa RB, ganun po. I was been proud of myself by doing this kind of art to represent me. Now, hinihit-gun ko na siya. After I hit gun, I'm going to put it in UV and until tomorrow bago po siya tumigas, and ang tagal po talaga ng process niya. 1 day process bago tumigas yung resin, pero okay lang kasi maganda pa rin po yung kalalabasan niya, and I'm going to show you the final outcome that I have been done. I put stone, beads, and a light, and this is the final look.